Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting pairing now. First, make sure both devices have enough battery and are physically close. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and keep the Bluetooth settings screen open. On the watch, go to Settings, then Connectivity or Bluetooth, and activate pairing mode so the watch broadcasts its name or code. Once the watch shows a pairing code, or Ready to Pair, switch to your phone's Bluetooth list and look for that exact device name. Selecting it initiates the secure connection handshake. Once you select the watch name on your phone, confirm the PIN or pairing code matches on both screens. This prevents accidental pairing with nearby devices. After pairing, the phone will prompt for permissions, allow notifications, contacts, and location if the watch needs them. Next, open or install the watch's companion app to complete account sign-in and enable full sync. Make sure the app checks firmware and installs updates. These updates often fix connectivity stability and enable advanced features, so allow them to finish. Finalize by confirming the watch displays a connected status, and that time, notifications and health data begin syncing. If something fails, reboot both devices and wait 30 seconds before trying pairing again. This clears temporary Bluetooth cache. Once done, if the connection still drops, unpair the device from your phone, clear Bluetooth cache, or reset network settings, and repeat pairing. If persistent issues remain, check the companion app's logs or firmware page.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.